Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Day One Dev. As you have seen previous video regarding how to build a Hello World for MCP, today we're going to talk about creating a Docker image of that Hello World. So as you see here, I have a Docker file which takes care of our entire project, which I'm moving a code from my entire Hello World to a container image. And after that, I'm running the requirements file to make download all the required dependencies when I'm running a site. So to keep this end-to-end the job execution, I did build an GitHub action file, as you can see here, MCP file, as I'm called out as an hello world Docker image. And I'm building entire project and also have a test case downloading a Docker image, running it as part of a GitHub Actions. So I'm using a Docker BuildX configuration and building for two platforms. You can see here the Linux part, and my job is this one and hello world, all the stuff. I'm also doing some kind of a summary using here. You can see this IT and the job is completed. It took almost 4.5 minutes. Sorry, seconds, 4 minutes, 48 seconds. So, and I'm publishing all this stuff to my GitHub repository. I'll also show you that. So you can see here, I'm creating a multiple tags to cover that. And I did some test out for pulling the image and running certain things. Now, let me come to the Docker side. I hope you see my Docker repository. Under my Docker repository, I'm creating a latest, which is get updated every time I build a new pipeline. But still, my based on a build, I also tag like a GA12, the job number, and also tag based on Python versions and the timestamp based. And that means I'm doing a multiple stuff. So you can see all the stuff are been multiple tags when has been created, all the stuff. So uh, this is small content for this one. Just want to show you how to build a Docker image if you want to run over a Kubernetes platform. And later stage, I'll deploy this same image on my Kubernetes platform. I'll show you all the stuff. So you can also integrate with an APIs. So if you are not subscribed to my Day One Dev channel, please subscribe. And also we can do a lot of hands-on code. All this code is available on my public repositories. I can see all this entire pipeline over GitHub Actions, right? And see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.